So influenza activity begins anywhere from, let's say, the early fall, so late September, October timeframe, and it goes all the way through May-ish, but it typically peaks in the January, February timeframe. This year, the flu vaccine contains 3 viruses that are expected to circulate this season. So you have one of those viruses is the 2009 H1N1 influenza A virus. It's another influenza A H3N2 virus, and an influenza B virus. The recommendation from the Centers of Disease Control is that everyone over the age of 6 months of age get vaccinated. So the CDC actually recommends that people get vaccinated as soon as vaccine becomes available in your community. And when you get vaccinated at that time, it actually protects you the entire season. It will not protect you next year, for next year's season, because influenza viruses continuously evolve, which is why the vaccine is made fresh every year.